What's up, everyone? Come on over.
We are about to do the watermelon challenge, which I don't know, I've never heard of it before. Tim actually told me about it, and it's literally putting elastic bands around a watermelon until it explodes.
Yeah, essentially we're just throwing a bunch of elastic bands around. We'll take our turns. We'll put enough tension until the watermelon explodes. I'm excited.
I kind of hope like explodes top half so we can eat the bottom half, because I'm kind of like hungry.
We don't want to waste the watermelon either.
Yeah, but
anyways,
still, it'd be fun.
Yeah, we're camping. It's a beautiful day out.
We are actually, where are we right now?
Conestoga Lake. Let's get to it. We got a lot of rubber bands, a lot of elastics. What if we don't?
So we got those, but we also have these ones here, guys, too. We have these just in case, so we had some extras.
Okay, so Sammy, ladies first. Why don't you go first?
Keep this yeti holder
for now.
While I put it.
Like that. And so let's put it right in the middle. Pretty dense watermelon, guys.
Well, yeah, it's really small, so I wonder how it's gonna do.
Good thing we got a lot of elastics.
Guys, we're still going. Our camera turned off for a second there, but like it's been at least 30 minutes since the camera turned off, and it's curved, but it's not giving any way. Ow.
Guys, it's spewing through the top.
Okay, we have to do a couple more because it's about to explode. Okay, now I'm scared.
Guys, it's cracked.
Oh my god, there's like liquid coming out now.
Oh, hold on, hold on. Here it goes. Here it goes. Put it again.
Oh, now all this juice is running out. Oh my gosh. Help me with this, dude. Help me with this one. Now back up. Back the hell up. Squeezing it, it's like a flower blooming. Come on. Oh my gosh. Get, okay, move your phone because it's gonna
Yeah. Yeah. Good call, my phone is right there. Hey, look at that. It literally, the creases and the pressure it put on that watermelon. Sammy, you're a soldier.
Guys, the camera's about to die, so let's finish this up quick. That was a lot of fun. Let's have a little watermelon celebration.
I think it took about 1,000 elastic bands. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already.
We'll see you in the next one. Don't worry, we clean up after ourselves.
Look at, guys, look how it exploded.
You know, it literally like blossomed like a flower.
All in one piece.
That's crazy,
That's so cool.
What the hell are you doing?
I want a bite of it.